So this is a 2014 BMW 328i. It's a beautiful car, very clean, came from BC, from a BMW dealer, but unfortunately it has a connecting rod knock. So this customer wants to do a couple of things. He wants to rebuild the engine and also build it up to be able to handle stage 1 or stage 2. So enjoy the video. We're going to tear down the engine, identify all the problems, and we're going to build up the engine to handle the extra horsepower with stage 1 and eventually stage 2. Okay, so we're about to get to the root of the issue. We're popping out the pistons, and we already know that one of the connecting rod bearings has spun as usual. So let's see what it looks like. Piston is about what you would expect it to be. A little bit scuffed on the skirt. The connecting rod is junk. From both sides, of course. The bearing has welded to the crankshaft and was turning inside the connecting rod. So it's gonna get changed out. I don't think there's very much left of bearing in here. Yeah, that's not much. It looks like 2 bearing shells have stacked on top of one another and then got ground down to like foil. And the crank is garbage as well. This bearing is better, but has some wear on it too. This bearing has some wear too. They all do. So it's second worst. So now we're gonna remove the crankshaft, finish disassembling the engine, and then we'll send it out to the machine shop to be machined. And after that, we'll reassemble everything and put it back in the car.
Собрать. Парам-пам-пам. Що?
So the rebuild is finished. As you remember, this vehicle came in on a tow truck. So we pulled the engine out, did a complete rebuild, put in a new crankshaft, new bearings, mains, connecting rod bearings, connecting rods, pistons, piston rings. We had to machine the block as well, put a catless downpipe on it in preparation for stage 2. So now that everything mechanical is finished, we've test driven the vehicle. It's working very well, and now we're just gonna get the programming put in, the new software, and test drive it, and then return it to the customer. So I hope you enjoyed the build. Let's take this vehicle for a test drive. Of course, it just had the engine rebuilt, so we're not going to do anything too crazy. You need to allow the engine to break in for a little bit, but let's go and see. Whoa, that rips. And this is only stage 1. Eventually we're going to tune it to stage 2, but it already flies. We put a cold air intake on it, and oddly, it almost sounds like a blow-off valve when the wastegate opens up. Holy crap. I hope the customer is not going to have too much fun with it right away. So there's no issues that I can see. The test drive went really well. No check engine light, no warning lights. RPM is really stable, which says something about BMW. I really like this car. I'll almost be sad to give the key back to the customer. So I'll see you in the next video.